What's the meaning of confidently? Confidently. Confidently.
Confidently. Confidently. Confidently is an adverb that describes doing something with self-assurance and certainty. When someone acts confidently, they believe in themselves and their abilities. This can lead to a sense of calmness and assertiveness in their actions. Confident people are typically seen as more competent and trustworthy. They are also more likely to take risks and achieve success. However, overconfidence can sometimes lead to arrogance and poor decision-making. Overall, being confident can be a positive trait as long as it is balanced with humility and sound judgment.